Do you want to learn how to close any frozen app without Task Manager in Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So let's say, for example, I've got this Steam app and it's currently frozen and I don't have access to Task Manager. So what I'm going to do is either press Windows plus R over here, which is going to open up this run pop-up, and then you need to type in CMD and press OK to open this command prompt. Or you could also go over here on Start menu and then click over here and then type in command prompt here, and then you can open it. If nothing is working here, you can press Windows plus Tab on your keyboard, which is going to open up these desktop options on the bottom. You can open a new desktop, but you can go over to desktop too. Now over here, you can do the same thing that I showed before. So just go over here and Start menu and search for command prompt. Click on it. Now inside it, you need to type in task list, which is going to show you all the apps that are currently running on your PC. Move your middle mouse button up and down to scroll through this list and find the app that you want to close. For me, this is steam.exe over here. This on the right hand side, this is PID, this is process ID. And on the left hand side, this is image name. So you could either use the steam.exe to close it, or you can use this process ID. So we go down here, we need to type in taskkill, now /im, and then type in the image name. That is, for in our case, this is steam.exe, or you could go with PID/PID and then type in the process ID name, that is these. So for me, I'm just going to type in IM and then spacebar and then type in steam.exe. Press enter and it's going to give you a success message. And that's it. Now if we go over to desktop 1 by pressing on Windows plus Tab key, go over to desktop 1. And now we no longer have that app opened on our PC. We have closed it down. And that's it. That's how to close any frozen app without Task Manager on Windows 11 PC. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Windows and other tech related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.